Hi dear friends, welcome to the 11th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. First one, in computing taxable business profit, inadmissible expenses are to be A. Deducted from net profit, B. Added with net profit, C. Unadjusted in net profit, and D. None of this. Option B, added with net profit. Second one, net profit as per profit and loss account is rupees 25,000, including an inadmissible expense of rupees 5,000 and excluding a taxable income of rupees 8,000. What will be the taxable business income? A. Rupees 25,000, B. Rupees 22,000, C. Rupees 38,000 and D. Rupees 28,000. Option C, Rupees 38,000. Third one, dash of the sum paid to an approved scientific research association shall be debited to profit and loss account. A. 100%, B. 125%, C. 150% and D 200%. Option C, 150%. Fourth one, pick out the inadmissible expense. A. VAT, B. Income tax, C. Depreciation on machine, D. Expense on assessment of tax. Option B, income tax. Fifth one, rupees 30,000 paid in cash for higher charges of goods carriage. The deductible amount of expense shall be A. Rupees 30,000, B. Rupees 20,000, C. Rupees 25,000 and D. Rupees 10,000. Option A, Rupees 30,000. Sixth one, admissible item when computing business income is A. Actual bad debt, B. Doubtful debt, C. Bad debt reserve and D. None of this. Option A, actual bad debt. Seventh one, a businessman spent rupees 50,000 on advertisement in a souvenir of political party. He will get deduction from A. Profit from business, B. Income from other sources, C. Gross total income, D. None of this. Option D, none of this. Eighth one, amount paid to an approved university for social research is allowed as deduction at A. 100%, B. 125%, C. 150% and D. 200%. Option A, 100%. Ninth one, under Income Tax Act, depreciation is allowed on A. Purchase price, B. Market price, C. Written down value and D. Face value. Option C, written down value. 10th one, straight line method is used for determining depreciation of A. Block of assets, B. Assets of power generating concerns, C. Intangible assets and D. Assets used for less than 180 days. Option B, assets of power generating concerns. Thank you for watching this video.